6 points for BDL.
Nikki Ford, actually. This woman, she's shining right here. Gives him a 4-point lead. That's it all the time.
Real fast, just hard to get that. She hasn't dropped any ball to the Shino. She can power to the defense.
Find a small slot, narrow space to work with. Walls comes it over and it's kept alive by the adrenaline of the Angels. One-handed, nobody like Nicolás.
And Nino Caminito loves those surprise drop balls.
Okay, kamital, lunch na. Hindi tayo nakapagluto kaya bumili na lang tayo ng makakain sa labas. Nag-order tayo. Ito.
Just sets it up lead by the Petrogas Angels. It's up to a green light to come up with a response here today to be able to stay in step with the Angels actually.
I know Green Line has been
Sa gabi na lang ako magluluto. Kaya
so many small balls.
subscribe, like, and share mga kamital.
They are struggling with their service.